Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Friday night and I am so ready for a relaxing weekend because I just finished a linear analysis quiz and I'm so ready to have just a very relaxing Friday night. And while I was coming back, I picked up like a little Starbucks, of course. I feel like my go-to drink right now is like a cold brew with like a splash of soy milk. And then I like to put like hazelnut and toffee nut in it. It's really good. It tastes like really light and refreshing, but also like mildly sweet, and it's really nice. And it also has like the perfect amount of caffeine, so it's really good. You should try it. So for tonight, I feel like I need to get my life together. So I'm gonna start off by just like tidying my space, whether that means just like doing some laundry, just like reorganizing some stuff. And then I'm gonna move on to like the self-care aspect, which is gonna include like face masks, journaling, planning stuff, etc. And like just like taking a shower, maybe like meal prepping. I don't know if we'll have time for that. And then this night I am going to be doing like a little game night and movie night with my roommates, so it's gonna be really fun. So I think now I'm gonna start off with like just doing some laundry. So let's go ahead and get started. I feel like tidying up, cleaning, and just decluttering everything after a long week is like literal therapy because it just feels like you're getting your entire life together. So I feel great. But moving on to the self-care part, I think I'm gonna do like a little face mask and just do my nails. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing like the same bentonite clay mask just because I really like it and I haven't done it in a really long time. So I feel like it'll be like a really nice like reset. While this dries, I'm gonna just do my nails because I've been meaning to do them for a really long time and I just haven't gotten to it. So I just picked up my laundry, so I'm gonna quickly go and put that away. So I just made some like pasta for dinner. And usually while eating, I'll just watch like a show or something for like a couple minutes. And recently I've been watching Ginny and Georgia. I'm liking it so far. I'm still on like the first season, so I don't know how it will go, but I think I like it so far. And just as the last step, I love just lighting a candle and just journaling and then planning my week so that I stay on top of things. Then for my journaling, I was using some of these prompts that I found on Pinterest, and I was writing about some things that I've had to unlearn. And that is it for my self-care night routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.